Good news, you can now create AI videos like this and this for free without paying a dime. And the good part is that you can monetize it on YouTube and it is approved. So you don't have to fear that your channel will get demonetized after spending your time working tirelessly on your channel, because that is the fear of a lot of YouTubers after creating their AI content, and one day they wake up and their channel gets demonetized. So I'm going to show you how to create this kind of AI video that can easily get monetized, and the good part is that it is free. You don't have to pay a dime. YouTube has made it easy for everyone. So without wasting time, let's get down to business. But before then, make sure you share this video so that others can benefit. The first thing I will do here is to click on my ChatGPT here. So I'll tap on my ChatGPT and then it's going to take me to my ChatGPT, and then the next thing I will do here is to paste my prompts. I already have a custom prompt which I'll be dropping it in the comment section, and according to the prompts, the major thing there is to create a cinematic story of a queen who falls in love with a male security guard called Obi. And then the prompt say that it should break the story into short scenes under 10 seconds. And then for each scene, it should include the simple dialogue, camera angle, and a separate image prompt. Keep everything clear, short, and easy to use for AI video creation. So I'll send this prompt and then I will wait while ChatGPT creates the story for me. You can see the Queen's Guard. See, the story is being created with the prompt, and you see down to 10. Now what we need to do here is that we already have our dialogue. The dialogue, the guards whispered, "Her Majesty has arrived," and you see the camera angle. So the first prompt said, "A majestic African queen stepping out of a golden carriage, royal guard line, sunset." So what I'll do here is to highlight this one and then copy it. I will just have to copy it and then take it. So I'll use it to create my video, and you'll be doing each of them step by step. So I will go to YouTube, click here. Here I have my YouTube. I will go to YouTube and then click on this plus sign here, this create sign here, and then I will now select this AI sign here for metal. I'll click on it and then I'll click on image. You can see image here. I'll click on it. Then the next thing I'll do now is to paste my prompt. So I'll paste it, and then you can select vintage, a name for people that want to create animation. You can see clay, you can see airbrush, you can see acrylic, you can see polygon, you can see even pixel, color, watercolor, and pastel. So but I don't need any of this. I want something realistic, so I put it at none and click create. So while it is creating, we wait a moment. It takes like 10 to 30 seconds. You can see it's not even up to. So it has created the images I needed here. You can see. Then if you are not okay with it, you click on try again, and when you click on try again, it's going to create something good. So you are going to do it until you get the perfect how to look or what you actually wanted. And then when you get what you actually wanted, you can now create a video of it. So for this, we have this here, and this here, but maybe I will go with this. And then when you've gotten this, what you need to do here is to click on create video. You see it down here, create video, and then you wait while it creates the video for you. Now you can see our video is being created and you see the character moving. So let me allow you to just listen to it. You can see how she's moving majestically. So the next thing here is to click continue. So here is the secret that I want to show you. Now when you click continue, you can add sound here, maybe your African folk day sound. Let's search for this sound. Igbo United song. Let's search for that sound, this particular one, and click next. You can see. So from your edit here, you can add more scene to it if you want to, and if you don't want to, you can leave it at that. And then now here is where it gets crazy. So what you need to do here is to save it as draft. When you save it as draft, you can come back to the draft next time you want to generate. So once you want to create, they will tell you that you already have a draft left, and then you can put all the draft together and then get the best out of it. If you found this video helpful or you have any question, you can comment below. Don't forget to click the subscribe button if you are new to my channel, and for my existing subscribers, thank you for always supporting me. Have a lovely day.